As you can tell, it's the holidays. The holidays are Dad's jam. I am a holiday fanatic. I had our Christmas decorations up the day after Halloween. Originally, I should probably tell you, this is a special video. This is the hashtag holiday side dish celebration. It's a celebration! Okay, first thing to whoever made that up, get a shorter hashtag. That is a mouthful. That's not the first time that Dad said that. What are we doing for our holiday side dish? Well, the original plan was I was gonna do these really cool inside out sweet potato balls. You put a marshmallow and you put the sweet potato around it and it's a spin on that candied yam dish that everybody loves. Well, people love or hate. Do you love it or hate it? I'm in the love it category along with my father, so not sure where everybody else falls. Dad loves it. So that's actually Dad's favorite dish during the holidays. But I don't get to have it that much because pretty much Dad and Dad's dad are the only ones who like it in this family. I was gonna do this cool spin and see if I could do something that somebody would like. Well, they weren't very good. The original dish, that old school original dish, was better than the new modern twist. I filmed the whole video, did everything, and it wasn't up to par, so it didn't get the cut and it's not going on YouTube. But I decided I'm going old school. I'm making the candied yams with marshmallows for my hashtag holiday celebration side dish. But Dad's gotta be Dad, so I'm gonna use my air fryer. That way I can free up the oven for other things and my other gadgets for doing other things. And the air fryer makes things so fast, if I wanted to, I could cook this in batches. But since I really only make a little bit for me and my dad, this is perfect. I can put my small little dish inside my air fryer and I'm done. The air fryer does what? It cooks things fast and it browns the hell out of them. What do I need? I need browned marshmallows. I have a feeling they're not gonna take very long in the air fryer, so this should be a fun one. So when it comes to hashtag holiday side dish celebrations, Dad got this. Candied yams and marshmallows. There's not much to this dish. You're not even really cooking it. You're just reheating it. You use, at least in the old school traditional one, use a Can of Bruces Yams. I don't know who Bruce is. I know he was a fantastic martial artist who died way too young, but he makes some great yams. And these are the ones that I use every year to make my candied yam and marshmallow dish. I suggest you use these two if you can find them. All right, they just taste better. Okay, Bruce's yams. Drain them, but don't throw the liquid out. You want to keep a tiny bit of that liquid. We're going to probably use about 3 tablespoons of it to go in our mixture. And it just helps add an extra yammy flavor to everything. That's plenty of that set aside. All right, onto the mixture. So we're gonna start our pan over a medium heat. We're gonna add 4 tablespoons of butter, 1/2 cup of sugar, brown sugar. When you're measuring your brown sugar, pack it. That's how you measure brown sugar. You always push it down so it's foam. Little tip, these little mason jars, they're 1/2 cup. This is a 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon and a 1/2 teaspoon of nutmeg. And then I've got a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. This is where our reserved yam juice comes in. We're going to put in 3 tablespoons. 1, 2, 3. Use a metal utensil. If you're using nonstick, don't use a metal utensil, but use a really hard plastic one because this sticky mixture will melt a plastic spatula. And you're just going to stir it around until everything is nice and incorporated. We're going to let this simmer for a few minutes and reduce down. You don't want it to harden, so you got to kind of watch it. And you're looking for that sugar to start to break down and not become as grainy when you're doing it. And they say in the instructions for some of these to toss these. They're so fragile, if you toss them, they just break apart, in my opinion. So I just like to drizzle. The sugar mixture is going to get over everything anyway, so don't worry about that. They'll be coated, don't worry. And this is the perfect size. See how now it's all sticky looking? That is just about perfect. We're going to turn that off. You're like, okay, let's do the marshmallows. No. If you do the marshmallows now, they'll just burn into flames. So the marshmallows are going to go on at the very end. So let's get our air fryer out. Where did Dad put it? So Dad picked up this air fryer for like $25 on a flash sale at Best Buy. I've been so happy with it. The basket's a little small, but we're just a family of 3. So it works out perfectly for us. I did a review on this. If you want to check it out, I'll put the link over here. Or there. So we're going to cook these at 350 degrees for about 10 minutes. And then we'll check them and see if they're warm. Like I said, we're just warming these. So 350. 10 minutes. If you don't have an air fryer, you can do these in the oven, 350 degrees for 30 to 40 minutes until they're all warmed through. It's just faster in the air fryer. Dad likes gadgets. Who doesn't like gadgets? Speaking of gadgets, the holidays are here. Do you have a gadget that you're hoping to get for Christmas? Put it down in the comments. Dad might actually have it. Dad probably has it. Dad's excited because this Black Friday, I'm getting my KitchenAid mixer. Finally. If I have to jingle all the way, fight through a crowd to get it, I'll do it. Remember that pan that was all sugary and horrible? Not anymore. I'm telling you, man, just boil water in your dirty pans. It's the easiest hack in the world. I have a dad hack for it. Put the video up there. How much of a nerd am I? I'm using a temp gauge to check my yams to see if they're warm all the way through. We're gonna go probably another 5 minutes. So the next step of this is the most important step. Do not mess this step up. I'm not kidding. It'll be a horrible holiday. Everything will be ruined if you don't do this step when you make this dish. Marshmallow. Marshmallow check. You have to make sure that the marshmallows are marshmallow. I did it every year as a kid. I have to do it now. Take one marshmallow, check it for marshmallowness. That one passed. So we're good to move on to the next step. Carefully layer marshmallows. Okay, you're gonna do this at 400 for like 2 or 3 minutes. We're gonna check these pretty often. We do not want these burning. Seriously? Could that look any better? Dad hasn't figured this part out yet, and I gotta get it out. Nope, not gonna work. One of these will work. I hope. Nope. And the basket comes out. So, you can do that. Ta-da! Oh. Yeah. Double tongs, pinch, and pull. Candied yams with marshmallows, done in the air fryer. It didn't take a ton of time, less than the original way of cooking it, but what it does is it frees up your oven to do everything else you need it to do. Dad's oven's pretty busy during Thanksgiving. I got the turkey going, I got stuffing, I got all sorts of stuff. So be able to make this on the side in 15 minutes. You can do the mixture with the sugar and everything and the yams overnight on Wednesday, stick it in the fridge covered, and then when you're ready to make these 15 minutes before it's time to serve, stick them in the air fryer. You're done. Such an easy way to get another dish on the table without taking up oven space. So that's Dad's hashtag holiday dish. Nope. Told you guys, make the hashtag shorter. So that's Dad's hashtag holiday side dish celebration. Whew. Tip of the week. Nope. So that concludes our hashtag holiday side dish celebration. Candied yams with marshmallows, done in the air fryer. If you loved this video and you were entertained and you thought the food was good, or I don't know, you just think I'm cute, go ahead and subscribe, like, leave a comment, share the video, do something, do anything. I don't know. I don't care what you do, but do something, because every time you do something, it helps me on YouTube. And I'm trying to get up there. I'm trying to get more subscribers. I want 1 million. I want that button those big guys have. So, I don't know. Check everything out. I appreciate every like and subscribe and comment I get. So, enjoy the holidays with your family. I know I will with mine. You know, Dad doesn't normally eat on camera, but this one, we're going to taste. Oh, come on. That's the holidays right there. Holiday in a cup. See you soon. For more recipes and videos, visit dadgotthis.com. To be sure you don't miss anything, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the damn bell. I double dog dare you. Come on, you have to do it. It was a double dog dare. I mean, those are the rules.